All right, so I have a new scene here. I want to talk a little bit about Booleans. So Booleans are a way of of using kind of more simple forms to create more complicated ones through the intersection of those two meshes. Um, so here, let me show you what I mean. I'm going to have this cone get a little bigger. Um, it's helpful to have some detail in these. I don't know, it just seems to come out a little better. So let's do that. Let's add some details to our polycone and our torus. All right. And so then I select one, I select the other. The order will give you different results. For me, it's like a little bit of trial and error which one I want, but I'm gonna just see what happens. Boolean, so we can combine them together. All right, that's a union. We can keep only where the two are overlapping, intersection, or we can cut one out of the other. Let's try that first. Difference. Okay, so what happened here is it cut the cone out of the cylinder, um, which is neat. So I'm just going to undo that. I actually want to go the other way around. If so, basically the first thing I select turns white, right? So now I'm going to do the same operation, Booleans difference, and now I'm cutting the cylinder out of the cone. Now, what's cool about this is if we go to our node editor here, this is another procedural operation, right? So if I grab this cone, which is the result, we see that the cone, the original torus, and the original cone shape are being fed into a Boolean operation, some kind of intersection, and then the result is giving us a new mesh. And actually, these two are still plugged into their original construct nodes. So, like, if I'm not sure why it won't show the connection, but let's test it out here. If I change, let's say the inner radius of my torus, yeah, see, it's still working, which is super handy, because I could conceivably animate this or fine tune the kind of shapes I'm getting based on the result I'm looking for. And yeah, I mean, it makes some like pretty great looking stuff actually. And why it's something I talk about in my other design classes. When our our brains are drawn to symmetry, are drawn to sameness. And so a Boolean operation creates a symmetry or sameness between those two shapes. It shows where the two kind of meet. And that is like an inherently harmonious kind of thing. So I'll play with this a little more because it's kind of fun. Section radius. So, to scrub values, I'm just command clicking here. Let's say something like that. All right.